Hey everyone, calling in from my bathroom again, and I've got a new U-Butte ring light that gives me so many more options of where I can film and photograph. Anyway, I'm popping in to show you the shampoo, or to tell you about the shampoo and conditioner I gave you a very brief look at in my stories yesterday. Now this is the Argan Oil Scalp Care shampoo and conditioner from the Australian Organic. And let me tell you, normally I want to try things for a good week or two before I'll give a review. 2 washes is all it took. This is divine. Look how silky my hair is. It's gorgeous. Now, if you know me, I'm a hair girl. I use a lot of hair products. I use a lot of very expensive hair products. This is as good as what I'm currently using that costs a heck of a lot more. And the other thing I love is, hello, look at the size of those bottles. They're going to last a very, very, very long time. Now, the guys at the Australian Organic also sent me some trial packets of a hair growth mask, which I'll use in the next few days, and a hair growth serum, which you put on damp hair before you blow dry, so that'll give you protection from heat, etc., etc. Gorgeous. I've used that today, haven't used that yet. Now, if you pop over to the Australian Organic, they will send you free samples, and there's nothing quite like trying it before you buy it. So go and have a look, but the smell is divine. I'm loving it. I like to have a few different hair shampoos and conditioners in my hair drobe, and these are definitely going to be added.